Hey gamers, how you doing? So today we're just going to go through a half flip tutorial. I'm going to teach you the basics of the half flip and how useful it's used in Rocket League and how good it can be as a recovery mechanic. So let's say you get bumped and you need a fast way to recover from that bump. Halfway is probably the most efficient way to recover. Okay, so for the half flip, it is the most underused mechanic for recoveries. And if you guys have not seen a half flip, this is what it looks like. So it's pretty much just a flip cancel mixed with an air roll. So to do this mechanic, I want you to, first you got to get back flipping pretty much down. So I want you to use it for about a minute to just backflip around the field just a few times, just to get the feel of how it would be to half flip. Okay, so once you've done that, I want you to work on flip. So you're going to do a backflip and then you're going to flip cancel. So this is what it's going to, so for flip cancelling, you do a normal flip like that, but halfway through you push your analog stick up. So the opposite way of where you flipped. So it looks like this on the control overlay. So that's a normal backflip. This is a flip cancel. Normal backflip, flip cancel. So I want you to work on flip cancelling for about a minute. Just getting that down, landing on your hood, just like that. Okay, so next we're going to work on doing a flip cancel, but we're going to boost while flip cancelling. So you're going to do the flip cancel while boosting. So it'll look like this. Just like that. And I want you to work on this for about 30 seconds. Okay, so next you're going to pick a way, the way that you want to air roll. So for me, I like to use air roll right because it's my favorite air roll to use, but you can use air roll left. And what you're going to do is you're going to combine everything together. So you're going to flip cancel, boost, just like we did before, and then we're going to use an air roll, the air roll of your choice, and we're going to do it all together. So flip cancel, boost, and air roll at the same time. So it looks like that. Now I want you to get this down, do this for about a minute, minute and a half, just half flipping over and over again, nice and clean, just like that. Okay, so now we're moving on to the advanced version of the half flip. So this half flip is going to be a diagonal backflip, just like that. That's a diagonal backflip. So for this one, this is usually used for, well, I use it for getting bumped. So let's say I get sent flying like this, I land like this, half flip out of it. Just like that. So to do this, you want to pick a way that you want to flip. So obviously if you're going to use air roll right, you're going to flip, diagonal flip to the right. So it's going to look like that. If you're doing an air roll left, you're going to diagonally flip to the left. And you want to pretty much combine everything that you did for the beginner's half flip. So to start off, you're going to flip cancel like this. So it pretty much sends you into a half flip, just like that. But it's not as clean. Okay, so next you're going to work on using air roll as well as doing that half flip. So it's the exact same as a normal half flip, you're just changing which way, the direction of your flip. So you want to combine it all together, do a diagonal flip and use air roll, just like this. Just like that. So half flips is also really good for reverse challenges. So let's say I'm shadowing this ball like this, and I hide behind the ball and half flip into it as the guy is coming to me. So let's pretend there's a guy behind this ball, he's dribbling, we hide behind the ball, half flip into the ball like that, he doesn't expect it, and we score. Just like that. Okay, so that's going to be it for the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to don't forget to spank the like button if you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.